Let's take a few minutes to discuss moving your enterprise from one of the many file sync and share applications to enterprise file sync and share with Documents Cloud Service. The consumer applications of the file sync and share market have absolutely worked their way into the working lives of your employees. The options available to consumers allow workers to gain the functionality and flexibility they desire when it comes to managing content, cross-device syncing, and sharing work product with targets outside the enterprise. This setup of disparate private accounts, however, is a nightmare of potential pitfalls for any business. Security, ownership rights, auditability, and access controls each rear their heads as a potentially deadly hydra of issues and liability. Understanding the market, not only for what businesses want to accomplish, but for how employees want to get their work done, Oracle developed Documents Cloud Service, a product that bridges the gap between the enterprise necessities and consumer desires. So knowing your employees are very likely using one or more of these disparate services for their work product, let's talk about enabling them to make the transition to Docs and killing that hydra once and for all. Once you've purchased your Docs licenses in your Cloud Service Management console, create a new Docs account with a simple and generalized name. For us, we chose Team Docs. This is your Master Sharing Account, or MSA. The MSA is useful because having all of your business's root folders owned by a single account means all of your users see the shares coming from a single place. The MSA is also useful because in Docs, the rule is who owns the folder owns the quota. This means that as content is added to your root folder structure, the only quota being used is the master sharing accounts. Once you've created your initial structure, provisioned accounts for your employees, and shared out your root folders, all the employees have to do is log into Docs and download the client for Windows or Mac OS. Once installed, this becomes the simplest migration in history. The employees choose which root folders they want to sync locally, and then simply drag and drop materials from their various consumer service folders into Docs. The Sync Manager does the work of checking the items into Docs, and suddenly what was once dozens or even hundreds of insecure and unconnected silos of content becomes a single, unified, secured, and managed silo that is under your control. Not only this, but if you already employ a business class account at one of these consumer services, it's still incredibly easy to move your folders and content from there to Docs using a single utility. Getting your content into Docs is the first true step to transitioning to enterprise file sync and sharing. Documents Cloud Service allows for real-time multi-person collaboration, simple content annotation, and secure sharing with passcodes and expiration dates. What's more, Docs exists as one part of a much larger enterprise-class strategy within Oracle Public Cloud. From there, your content can be integrated with any number of other cloud services, such as Process Cloud or Sales Cloud, as well as your on-premises applications like Web Center Content or Oracle BPM. If you're interested in more information on making the move to enterprise file sync and share, give us a call or drop us an email. We'd be happy to answer your questions or provide a detailed demonstration. Thank you.